Oh, it smells good.
It's overwhelming. Just beautiful. Unbelievable. I don't know. Hello, we are in one of the Christmas markets. I think they call it Rathausplatz. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it should be one of the big ones. So let's go check it out. Look at those ornaments. Yeah, just cool. Yeah, these wooden ornaments. Look at this carved cool wood plus gift. I don't know what it means, but I'm sure it's something nice. Anybody knows what it means? I don't know. Those are so cool. Some cool candle lights. More chocolates.
What's happening?
It's overwhelming. It's really beautiful. I don't know where to look. With so many cool stuff.
And a lot of people.
And a lot of people, yeah. It's super cool. Look at those ornaments. Beautiful ornaments. So pretty. Love it. This one's cool. It is like Winter Wonderland.
I used to have
the red one, the mushrooms.
As
Cool.
a kid.
It's so cool. The dancers. It's some cool, beautiful design candles. Love it. Just beautiful. I don't know what to say. Another crazy booth with all these beautiful Christmas ornaments. So cool. Where is the donkey? Oh, yeah. Unbelievable. I had never seen this many ornaments in my life, actually. Have you? Get those guys. Crazy Christmas shoppers. This is delicious hot chocolate. Just got it, and it's really hot. So comforting. I love it. Pretty good. You want to try? Would you like some? Thank you. So we got this, the fritos, the dessert with the chocolate sauce and strawberry, but I don't see the strawberry sauce though.
It's right there.
Okay. Let's taste it. Wow. It's melting. It's delicious and melting. And it has this crispy on the top.
You have to get the fork.
One of the best highlights at Vienna's Christmas markets is the festive mugs. You pay a small deposit with your drink and you can keep the cup as a souvenir or return it and get your money back. A cozy tradition that makes every sip feel special. Look at this winter wonderland. Oh my God, I've never seen so many ornaments. It's like an ornament wonderland. Oh, the thing turns on. Ah! Ah, so cute. Love it. The glowing cars. Look at the flying cars. That's super cute. Beautiful, so magical. This is what I love. Such a pretty, crazy tall guy over there. So crazy. Never seen tall person like that. He's like sticking out from everybody. This is crazy. This market is really huge.
Well, guess what?
Next one, please. I'm an original
I need to hold at least one of the things.
I know, you can try.
Drink, but I cannot eat.
I know, okay. Okay, let's see. So this is the place we got it from.
Crazy.
How's the wine?
It's good actually. I like it. It's not so strong, so I can drink it. It's very smooth for non-alcoholic liquor. Pretty good. Wow, look at those lights.
Hi, vegan, please have.
There's the ceramic ornament. Let's try. Do you want to try? The giant crispy hash brown. Yeah,
Yes.
can we try potatoes too? Yeah.
This stuff? Yeah.
That
Okay.
one, yeah. Oh, it smells good. Roasted chestnuts.
Das war 5 Euro bitte, gell? Danke.
Okay, those are my favorite things. We finally found those. And then we're gonna try, let's see.
Well, you were just talking about it. Where are
I
the
know, where are the
chestnuts?
chestnuts? And then here's the roasted chestnuts. Those are delicious. So we're gonna try now. Okay, so the potato is delicious.
That's fine.
Okay, we'll do the chestnuts. Those are super delicious, my favorite. It's only seasonal. And then it needs to be done right, like roasted really. Fresh and they are very earthy, nutty. If you're in Vienna, you gotta try this. And you can find them in Christmas market.
Does it go well with the wine?
Absolut, du, die trifft vorher schon wieder.
The Mulled wine. Yeah. The wine is cold already. Cool the earmuffs. Keep your ears warm.
Brandy? This one, brandy?
Okay, so she said this is the traditional marzipan album case. We'll see. I never had it. I'm trying now.
Is it familiar or first time you're trying marzipan?
I think it's familiar, but that can be cool. But it's delicious. Because the almond filling, it tastes like a little crunchy inside, but good, crunchy good. The cacao thick is pretty cool. Delicious. You want some? The hot chocolate? Is it hot?
It is your temperature.
Yeah.
Genauso aufgestanden, ich bin daheim gestanden und eine Frau hat irgendwas zu mir gesagt. Aber eine Mutter
Enjoying the hot chocolate?
Yes.
Nice.
Almost nothing left.
Lettuce, yeah. Yeah, it's gone.
staying out the 9 hours, everything should be fine.
백은 못 찾겠어요.